I cannot hear my sound, bro. Are you serious?
5 minutes later.
Enemy
Oh
down!
my god. In no way, bro. What is going on, bro? No sound clutch? Bro. Yo, it's your boy Aki here, back with another video. Hope you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's get into today's video, and I love you guys.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. They have the bomb. The bomb has been planted.
Like, I literally cannot put it no sound, bro. Screw it.
Enemy
Oh
down!
my god. In no way, bro. What is going on, bro? No sound clutch? Bro.
Nice work.
Bro. No sound clutch? Guys, let me get a kill. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get a kill real quick.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb. Enemy has dropped the bomb.
Bro, I have no sound. Wallahi, I wish I had sound, bro.
They have the bomb.
He could be on A.
The bomb has been planted.
He needs to be.
Contact with that last man standing.
Oh, chill. Chill, bro. Chill.
Destroy the objective.
Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Smoke up mid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that smoke takes forever to drop. Good one. Yes, sir.
Allow beats. You've entered the bomb site.
Bruh.
Nice work.
Why are we stealing my
Next round.
kill, bro? Like, I'm in my prime right now. Like, if I was in my prime, I'd be dominating kids for trust.
Enemy down!
See, like, I did way too much.
Allow beats. We've taken the lead.
Stupid ass. No! My shotgun pellets, bro. Nah, hold up. If I can get in there, bro, clutch or kick, bro. I wish I had a melee on me, bro.
Contact with enemy. Down.
Oh, hell no. Oh my god!
We've taken the lead.
This animal, bro. Oh my god, bro, they're out there. They're out there waiting for me, bro. Bro, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro.
Enemy contact.
Bro, what the?
We're almost there. Keep it up.
Bro, come on, bro. My aim, like, why? Like, I'm trolling. Like, I'm not trying to troll, but it's like, bro, like, I'm not worried about that kid. I'm not worried. Pop kinetic armor real quick.
We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
Bro, switch in.
Contact with enemy.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Enemy down. Target's in sight. Target down. I got shot.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so. Oh my god, bro, I'm actually so good. Get y'all pissed off, bro. Look at this loser, bro. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at this dude.
Enemy in sight. Down.
Look at this dude. Oh. Dumbass, what is he doing? Look at this dude. Yes, sir. Emperor's New Groove. Whew, that rhyme. I should be a mathematician, low key. Cause that was just. Oh, chill. Chill, bro. It's D-Day, bro.
Enemy down.
Friendly shock RC
Bro,
is
it's
ready.
D-Day, bro. It's
Friendly
D-Day,
shock
bro.
RC
It's
is
actually
coming.
D-Day, bro.
Friendly shock RC has been destroyed.
I don't care, bro. I don't care, bro. Bro, I don't care, bro. Bro, I don't care, bro. Bro, I had pulled up on them, bro. Can't tie my shoes. I rely on you to keep me alive. Bro, climb. GG's, bro, I'm cooked. I'm not cooked?
We've taken the lead.
Go down.
You're cooked. I'm gonna just be annoying. I'm gonna do something like this. Oh, chill. I should have took the ladder, bro. Oh, chill. I should have took the ladder, bro.
We've taken the lead.
Bro, they're annoying. Why are you falling? Like, it's okay. I should have learned my lesson. Peek, bro. Chill, he was still in that corner. That's crazy.
We've taken the lead.
Bro, my aim is just not there, bro, anymore.
Target down. Hurting.
Oh my god, bro. That guy got crapped on, dude.
Target's in sight.
It's okay. I'm learning, bro. It's okay. We gotta take the house, man. Y'all are trolling.
UAV online. Tied for the
Well,
lead.
y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw the hit markers, right?
lost the lead.
Enemy in sight.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
Reloading. Cover me. Drop it down.
God, it's a little. It's so bad. Yo, I got this little goo. Imagine fighting me when I'm not in my prime, bro. Actually crazy. In a way, bro. Ain't no way. That's actually crazy, bro. That's ain't no way, man. Actually crazy. This literally, like, I'm not even in my prime no more.
Just another day. Good job.
Just another day. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yes, sir.
I've never felt like so it's a rumble. I never felt like thinking this will last forever. Baby, stay with me.